we're gonna take our key and stick it in our key cutting machine. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna type in the bidding that we decoded. We got 3, 1, 2, 4, 2, 2, 1, 3. Let's hit cut key. Shut the lid and we'll be right back when this key finishes. Alright, so our key just finished cutting. Let's go ahead and get it programmed. Let's go ahead and plug our programmer into the vehicle. Plug it right down into the OBD port. Now we're going to stick our key in the ignition. Turns it just fine. Alright, so now that we got the programmer set up, let's go ahead and hit control unit, mobilizer. We'll go to add key. Close all the doors and switch the ignition on. Okay. Alright, for this step, I'm going to go ahead and cycle the key.
Elite music.
Recut 2 keys. Let's go ahead and put the first one in. Wait for the security light to go out. Put the next key in. Security light is out. We're going to go ahead and test it. Started right up. Check the lock button. Good to go.